What's up, YouTube? Today I am going to modify this set right here. I got this for 30 bucks. It only has 100 pieces or 118. Not a recommended use of the money. Anyway, we're gonna open it up and see what we can do to try to make it worth $30. All right, so let's get into the build. All right, we've got some different, oh my goodness. There's 3 books, guys, literally. What's the box? We've got book 3, which is so thin, I can barely only like 5 pages. All right, we got bag 1. We're going to start building here.
I just wonder, I like this one, really like her.
Look at this. I'm in love with this sheep right now, actually.
I'm gonna put him on the tractor real quick. So it tells you to put the sheep behind the fence, right? Think the sheep's gonna stay in that fence? Got back. Oh! Oh! And we are done. Look at this. All right, let's set it up and see what it looks like. I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see the camera. Okay, so it's a lot bigger than I thought it was actually. We're gonna modify it and make it better. So first of all, I want to ask you to please subscribe, leave a comment about what you think about this set and what you think about the price, because I did pay, I think $30, $29.99 for it. So please leave your comments below and please like this video. Shoot, I just realized my camera wasn't recording, guys. I'm so sorry. So what we've basically done here is I was gonna try to make the tractor automatic. So what I was gonna do is I made this gearbox right here, and it's a basic gearbox. And then what I did for the wheels is, since it had to be an axle tape thingy, I put 2 of these in the one tire, so that way it kind of like works. First of all, we can grab all the bricks off this tractor and put them on this tractor. And let's do that real quick. This is how all right, we've got that so far. It kind of looks chubby, honestly. These back wheels, because they're not quite lined up. So what we can do about that? There we go. Now we can. There's the tractor, it's working. All right, now we need to make the hay baler type thing, and I have no idea what a hay baler looks like. So technically, if we can make all this in one, because I know kind of hay balers have like a round underneath type thing. I'm sorry if I offend all the farmers that are watching this. They're like, he has no idea what he's doing. I don't. But I'll appreciate your comments if you tell me. Let me look up and see what a hay baler looks like. Yeah, okay, yeah. It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. Here's our tractor. We've got a hay baler on the back. We're gonna test it out and see if it works here. So all you're gonna do is push the hay baler button and hold up. The hay baler button. And oh! Look at that. That is absurdly amazing. Look at that. Let's try that again. Look at that. That is pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe and push those notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And comment what set I should modify next. Thank you and goodbye.